Okay, I want to do problem number 1 with you guys as another example. So instead of drawing a triangle, all they've done, I'll just show you over here. So what they've done instead of drawing a triangle is they said, find the distance between each pair of points. So for number 1, they give us the points 2, 5, and 1, -2. Now if you want to do that, you can graph them, but you do not have to because you have a formula that you can plug the numbers into, and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so over here I have it written out. There's 2, 5, and 1, 2. We know that this here is 0.1, and this here is 0.2, and we know that this is x and y, x and y. So you guys already can see. Okay, so for my formula, I'll back that up a little bit, I need to have the x value for my first coordinate minus the x value for my second coordinate. So my first x value is 2, and my second x value is 1. So I'm just going to go 2 minus 1, and that's squared, plus, I need my first y coordinate minus my second one squared. So my first y coordinate is 5, and my second y coordinate is -2. So I'll do minus, and then I'll put -2 in parentheses, and then I'm going to square my answer there. Okay, I'm just going to move this over. So now I have d equals the square root of 2 minus 1, which is 1 squared, plus 5 minus -2. I can just say plus positive. 7 squared. D equals the square root of 1 plus 49, and that equals the square root of 50. Now I know that 50 is the same thing as the square root of 50 equals 2 times 25, and that 25 is a perfect square. So I can do the square root of 2 times the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5 times, 5 times the square root of 2. So this would be my answer. So I'm just going all over. I apologize. So I'll kind of go over that again. So we were given the points 2, 5, and 1, -2. And I just took my x values. This is 0.1 right here. 0.1, and this is 0.2. So 0.1 x value is 2 minus 1. I'm going to square those. These are my y values. So my first point is 5 minus -2. Square that. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 plus positive 2 is 7. So 1 squared is 1, plus 7 squared is 49. 1 plus 49 is 50. I know that there's a perfect square in 50, and that perfect square is 25. So I would have the square root of 2 times 25, which I can break that apart and say the square root of 2 times the square root of 25. This is a perfect square. So I'll put my 5 first, and then my square root of 2, and that would be the answer to number 1. Okay? If you guys have any questions, give me a text.